Yeah, we're actually out here camping. There's my chair. So we got a little morning fire going. Slept in my hammock last night, which will be in another video. Morning one and all. Gonna be doing breakfast. I got the Hawk Vittles. And we'll be doing on this mini Esbit stove. So let's get to it. Alrighty. Haven't used this little stove since I don't even remember. One day. Cup and a quarter of water. I went and got a flat rock to set the stove on. As memory calls, you tip these up to hold the Esbit, and these go down, so it goes like that. I happen to have an Esbit right there. I'm not happy with how level this is, so there we go. I think that might do it. So let me go and I need to fire this up. Alright, so zoom in on that Esbit a little bit, which I should have done off camera. People who know me and been watching the channel for a while know I've had trouble lighting my Esbits, but I have a solution. Take that. Sweet. Alright. Get that pot on. Of course, the slightest little bump will send it flying, but potentially. There we go. A little close-up action. That seems to be going along pretty nice. I just lit it about a minute ago, so if it doesn't get the water boiling for some reason, I'll the backup plan is just put it in the fireplace, which is, you know, just right there. So this is the hash brown, sausage and eggs, one of my favorite breakfasts, well, ever. So get the day started. I got a bunch of stuff I want to do today, videos I want to shoot, reviews to do and whatnot. So see how we're looking. The water's getting up there. Not close to being ready though. Well, that kind of sucks. I think my Esbit burned out before my water was done. Because I'll have to get another one. Alright, finally starting to see some bubbles. Get the meal in here. I gotta be really careful with this thing because it's, as you can see, it's kind of teetering. Not really confident in the security of this thing. I should have made sure the prawns were perfectly level when I set it down. That was my bad. Basically, I'm just going to let the water come back up to a boil, give it about a minute, and then let it sit and rehydrate. But I always like to bring it back to a boil. I feel like I get the best results out of it. It's one of my favorite meals too. I don't know if I'm sure I've mentioned it before. So, all right. There we go. Return to a boil. Let that sit and hydrate, or rehydrate. Keep getting dirt on my lid. Cool. Well, that's a close-up of what she looks like. Alright. Let's see how she comes out. Ooh. Just a tiny bit of water on the bottom, but I'm going to call that good. So breakfast waste. Done.